New external loan of $6 billion for 2021 budget. This one they come from our beloved President Buhari himself. And according to Matawe Richards, they say Buhari don't urge the Senate to approve the new external loan. $6 billion, my people, for the federal government to finance the 2021 budget. And according to Buhari himself, it also said the 6 billion where they are equivalent to 2.3 trillion naira. They go use a finance budget of 5.6 trillion. Which this one now they tell us say even the what they call it 2.3 trillion no even do so for the budget. And not be even that one go end, they still come they tell us the things where they want use do with the loan. These people sabi lie, but no problem. They say the loan they go use it go enable the federal government to fund critical infrastructure projects like education 1, transportation 2, health. I bet these people who they think say we be. When they feel say they feel just they toy with our emotions, with our brain, any small thing, so they go just they come outside, they tell us this. How long have we been waiting for education, transportation, health, and many other things, security? You know, since when these people know they borrow money? How come they never do all these things since? Every day new stories, every day new story. This one now they don't bring it out so that all of us go say, they have good plans. Let's support them. By the time this money come outside, it go shock una. Even the roads where we get safe, you not going to even see road again, work out top. Buhari is on a mission. Yes, Buhari is on a serious mission, and the mission is to finish Nigeria. Like him, you know, understand? As he be now, we even they complain, Nigeria. This man is on a mission to finish, in fact, finally finish Nigeria. May we just dissolve this country. May everybody just see before Buhari go succeed. It better may everybody just waka they go. Because as he be now, APC won't put Nigeria inside serious debt. And the person who even they pity now, the next president will go come on sit. Hey, that man go see hellfire in this world. He not gonna need die before he in fact as he did this world, the hellfire will go they see. Nobody go need explain to them because the debt will go meet before he go clear that debt. Before you now, no, make una start to calculate. You go first clear the debt before you go start to work on the things where these people no even work on. Before you go, in fact, bros, anywhere you are, just know that you have plenty work to do in advance. So make us start to tell you so that if not to fear, because the people the loan is too much. We have been loaning. How long una one loan? Every day loan. And I beg, all of una way they give these people loan. Bia, no make me swear for persino. They still ask you una for loan, una still they give. Una no see some that they heartless. Already Nigeria name they everywhere. Borrowers. The people who sabi borrow pass, you go see Nigeria inside. No, Google it. Maybe we will not be the first, but I know say first 5 Nigeria name they there. All of una way they give us loan, please do where to be responsible because I no like wahala. Me no like wahala. Una come add. Any I no blame una self. Na China I blame. Any small thing they sign petition, they don't grant them. Any small thing bring something they don't give her. Why una no fit just I beg. Because I know say everybody they watch me. If you know say Buhari don't write letter, I be how they use take loan. I don't know whether na letter or any means. I beg, una fit ask Buhari just this question: have you cleared the debt you borrow before? Ask him first. Because now no be Buhari with a look. Consider we the citizens before they go come use us as collateral. Because we know wetin dey Nigeria wey person wan call okay they can't take loan. What are you going to use? No, what Nigeria no get assets. Is it the roads where don't spoil finish? Or lights where we no get? No, wait be the or police stations where they don't burn up and down. Waiting be our asset where if person come borrow money now they go say this one. It is us. No wonder they no wan give us passports because they no want anybody go. So that the day, if the day when I supposed pay, you reach, they no come get the money. They go say, oh yeah, I give you. I offer my citizens as a burnt offering. Now so they go just carry all of us, bam, give to them. You wey they call yourself Nigeria before you know you don't become citizen. Why even they call you citizen? You go become slave to China because as you they go there, now work you go work until their money complete. And imagine the amount of money. So imagine now balancing with the work you have to work to complete. May we dey wise. May we dey wise. I beg. See, now beg I dey use beg una. Ask yourself. All the money wey Buhari don borrow since first day, second day, third day, abeg, what have they used that money for? Ask yourself this question. Why even they ask? Sorry, I don't forget sef. Na me even suppose give una the answer. I have seen the work they are doing with the money. They use a sponsor Boko Haram. They use a no, na there the money they go. Okay, make a boss on a brain now. After this loan, $6 billion, when it come out, another kidnapping operation will take place. And now, no, I like to give you a small secret. No shout out. When that kidnapping operation happen, they will come use this one now. The money we don't come. Because they don't give them direct. They don't say we go talk. So they use that medium. Ransom. Now like that, money they go. That money now wetin they use get weapons get. Una no know how these people they operate. And they give una their modus operandi so that una go. You understand many things. Hey, Buhari. Hey, God, I beg. No give us this kind of thing again for our life. And I dey suspect say God just give us Buhari because he won't make we learn to appreciate people. No, the time when Jonathan dey, how will they treat him? Everybody just dey shout, Jonathan must go, Jonathan, Ungwano he has gone. So now this one come. After this one, una go dey wise by force. My people, start dey drop anything where you think. Because as it be now, I beg, and I even dey fight because I don't dey search since. The country where they plan borrow this one from, I don't search, I no see. If you know, I be put up for that side. And anyhow way you think concerning this matter, may they loan again. I be may they don't loan again. Nigeria don't turn loaner. Oh yeah, see drop off for that comment section. And don't forget to share this video. Very, very important. Make our fellow Nigerians know the kind of hole where we are about to dig again. Very, very important. And why not click on that notification bell so that you don't go miss anything we get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.